Here I have Google Nest Hub Max, and today I'm going to show you how to edit photo frame on this device. So firstly, you will have to open the Google Home app on the device to which your hub is connected. Then access this hub through this app, and then here you have to select an option Edit Photo Frame, and here you can edit your frame. You can edit its settings like banner notifications, if you want to show them or hide. You can show or hide weather, time, personal photo data. You can portray Google Photos. You can show, hide, or show pairs, and personal photo creation. And you can select slideshow speed. It could be 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10. And then you can select which photo frames you want to have. You can select your Google Photos. You can select our gallery and set up these photos, or you can just set up full screen clock, and here you can select the type of the clock which you want to set. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.